back. What did you tell Mazepa that prompted him to ask you to go back? If actually Mazepa said so, before we go here. That disagreement with a man does not automatically mean neighbor sabotua. It is normal, and you should know. No wine. So, Dr. Ngozi here for Commander Gentle Ukuru. Where you make your peace now. Maybe before, not they were against you. Maybe you realize you go. Here from a second corner, keep putting here, Jagon the man after 10, and I can only see for that. It was here on a phone when we reach out dialogue, boy.
Keep an yes, when you ask one, can you family value that Jemen at the struggle? Yes, we always disagree to agree. This time, I know it may be a very important time, though it is very critical time, but it's also a very important time that the struggle. One night, we can Kelena TV Apotano will drop his opinion concerning the trending video of Commander Gentle and the car that the Olamamere. Uno video that the Olamamere, Eba that the Olamasina. PMI Simon Asia can follow back to the British government. A lot of people agreed with her and a lot of people disagreed with her. You are entitled to your opinion. You are entitled to your opinion, and that is why the comment section is where you can air your own opinion. The struggle is for every Biafran, especially. I can like to settle down and watch this video. You know, Kelena TV this issue now that between DPM, Ngozi Orabweze, and Commander Gentle. Nife Basataro is settlement on ground. Actually, you open at this video. Watch this video. The point one night we can make it ever. If you see a drop or opinion in a comment section, Ibambo, to start the video can be a France and does we want to put this update. Watch the rest of the video, guys. I will be right back.
Commander Gentle said something yesterday. Banyere ego. No one will be fair, he received. And when that I wasn't okay. I got my ex. I wrote some things. Mana, only a few things in Chorokanku before I end the IFA. And that in Chorokanku, and what if it is? And the honorable deserve respect. All men on ground about the freedom fighter. And they deserve our respect. Even I'm for the buying for no respect if you know law from Madisiane. That is the mentality of Ndebani. You know, I respect this person. Oh, yeah, what is in Anna? No, respect. Bo, ngena madi ikwe koreta. Ngena madi in agreement. No ya roro, no ya officia. Nda no men on ground. Ntwaisi anu na media. They deserve respect. Oh, hama wende ne ku kumweronga. But when they start taking side, that is where the problem come in, which is normal. No one anybody over take it. Everybody is important like this very struggle. And don't expect Ngozi Orabeze's pattern to be like that of Mazepa. Obruno why feminine about the post to, why Cameron about the post to. Mazepa said that he have given up everything. Makamuno. Mboku that in Mbo Commander Gentle, I wasn't happy. Mananambi is some commanders na homeland contributed to this thing from them now. Commander Holy Ghost contributed because Nambidi is Yakurumo. Can they no men on ground, hand on neutral? Fatra had to come in to settle. Fachi settle more no half an order on how watch half of Hana Eboban and Devanka that they should follow the person. Makanifa and Emeni Diego. And then a far matter of who becomes who, if I have a beba ego siapata, and then Fego, Fana Rifa, Fakure Maze, Bamqua, Afadanaro, I said it here. Then what do we have then? Commander Gentle Pota, Obro was your reason. And thankfully, Ayaka Fria, Copota. For weeks now. Maybe na fe dozigo because all no kubrekute. Maybe na fe doziana. A man put with two people and something happened sudden. Njide jide maze happened sudden. Ibuto zibo take a side and the man your case ngwa on ground and the case onya na abroad about. So if you may be no neutral, mara even the majority carry the vote. If I never online by majority. So, Obotoga, what do you want? No. Maybe the Payama about online, maybe in a Fedozina, maybe in a Farabo together. Because we disagree to agree. Or my enemy disagree over there 1 year. No, only 1 year we disagree to agree. Only you can bring or Jan about online, only if get na Fedozigo until Opatapa. Who na Fedoziwe? I am for Dr. Ngozi is a Commander Gentle. Uroku. Manam, that it is normal. Here we end the Bayagota. There is every possibility that you will contact Dr. Ngozi Orabeze and Ngozi Orabeze when your contact or Ngozi Orabeze join you in any meeting. So now these things into already, and the only nine for no wine, and the Lord declared Biafra. No matter in Kobo, no we reach out to the woman. Yeah, be very simple. Let it be. That I watched that video. Commander General that he have reached out. So there is every possibility. I know from Ngozi, there is every possibility no man to reach Commander General. Obviously, no pretend they are no Commander General reach out. Oh, okay, yeah, on ground. Oh boy, Madam Kekosi, Kazi Kekosi. I know I am from Oluya. Obruna, Commander General reach out. Dr. Ngozi Sayo, Baria. And the Commander General will know every power. Somebody power. Commander General will every power, depending on those who represent the Yoku Airport online. When they buy, they go on NATO. Now, one night about Kanyaka, the buying with pause. And they remember, we have Commander Holy Ghost will take aside. Emma Godina, no being the buyer divided. Or when the buying is an animal on both. Overnight, we might 100 in every go. Mbaho take reside. Now support will get a which now ever much number of the buying. Oga take reside. Let's say now the 100, for example, for taking that side alone. Only you keep 50 and drop what I hold the money in a 5 year with a governor. Then of go 50 nakafa. You go 50 are fanaka. Let's say like the money they divided 25 garo again 25 I got this side. If they have here you go unison. If they have here in there everyone has again. Oh, leave it like that. But they went and they appoint acting PM. They are helping to divide the house. Oh, Master said, you are stabbing me at the back. Why in a fair raw? One year at Rijebe, Mobana has a power monger. They could have allowed her as power monger. Come on, Mogia, because they know that Mazeba will come out to fix things. But they are helping her, knowing that she is power monger. Knowing that I am not holding ground of anybody. If you say that Dr. Ngozi is a agent, boy, Afa. Madu agent working against Biafra. Diche. Now, Madu don't want to operate the way Mazeba operated. Bible no way even that means disagreement with a man does not automatically mean neighbor sabotua. It is normal and you should know no nya why. So Dr. Ngozi here from Commander General Ukuru. Where you make your peace now. Maybe before not be against you. Maybe you all realize go. Here from a second phone on keep way here when the man have to tell me I can receive it. It was here on a phone when we reach out dialogue where I'm not going to know where they reach out now. You know, okay, we're going to baby. Maybe they actually visit Mother's baby or say, we take up rice. A jolly man, you got rice. When to by then, go and power over to buy land. You got rice and your mother's baby's visit. Now, what I'm with, and the honor not go for that. In the buy, who knows on here go until I am a Kojan. He have the power, he can say it, depending on those we present here. So, none of you, care what opportunity. I didn't make Utayoku, I didn't make Wabu. Behind a cool solution. It's an honor agent with evidence law agent. I am for I am what I want. Man, over strategy or teacher. So, Dr. Ngozi and the Anam, no boggable Kerry Hana Bodia. Hey, on your chief security officer, can I? Amarom, what come on in or security anaka. Was the on meeting? Ngina gentle, Mekuba, Unabago, Kayfo no Batra, Guinea, what an iPhone opera. I go off my because of another of my commander gentle Amamata. In any way, getting a banner on a visitation. Because somebody come on a brief way, let me use that word. So with this video, Commander Gentleman, we are now. What is it on in our meeting? Come on, brief is here. Keep us here on a round table with Commander Gentleman. We disagree to agree. Because when I wasn't okay. We disagree to agree. Online. Oh, she is destroying everything for that reason. Everybody is for audio. Said we should fall back. What did you tell Mazeba that prompted him to ask you to go back? If actually Mazeba said so, before we go here, reason whether Mazeba you say that we should fall back. Obey Abraham Mazeba that you want to conduct election for an acting PM. Knowing fully well that he's coming out. Why nature of acting PM? Oh, he's coming out, but you are preparing ground for yourself. Oh, she is power monger, but you are equally grabbing power. She is power monger. You are preparing ground to grab power. Yeah? Oh, he is coming out. He is coming out. Mazeba is not dead, but you are preparing ground to grab power. You could have waited. Never grab power. Never said that the woman who did create Biafra grab power. Social media. All this problem, many of you, bunde create any small thing, That is why my WhatsApp number is not on media. Don't contact me. I am not a member of IPOB. If any who federal media, I'm a content creator, political analyst, and a preacher of the gospel of redemption. Don't contact me. Too much of gossip. Oh, I know this person. Onya be criminal. Onya bonyenka. E ko be akocha and I mean it. E ko ba be ozo. Igba anyi ma na onya be agent. Igba anyi family agent. Anya gba ya wo. Ọrụ a na-arụ na need uche. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nọ n'ime data alone ji agbaghị need wisdom. Maazị Ekpa na onwe ya abala n'ime data alone ji agbaghị need wisdom. No na abali atụrụ. So, Dr. Ngozi Arabeza, make peace. Follow peace with all men. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Let's say because na ha trust rogi before na ha nwere strong trust ebe oge nkere no. Let's say now that now they go divided and they have seen lebe no bebe ndị banko. Then this call out or this outcry of Commander Gento, ya bro a starting point iji we make ya peace. Mmadụ ka ịbụ ka anyị ghara ịdị na-agbazi ụjọ na social media. Ịghọtago na mmadụ ka ịbụ baa na nkata ọchị ije modelis baby kwuo okwu ego. How do you tinye nwa aka mobilize kwuo ndị be anyị because as it stand now forget kwa na akpọ ego. There is every possibility na ego niile ha na-akpọ ị na-anya today na ịma mfe. I'm not holding ground for anybody. Mana what if na men on ground na-abịa gbakọta ọnụ na ụda dị ego ji apụtakwu mọ mgbe ndị ji enye akaụntụ ji enye akaụntụ ifidụ na ego ji na-ada n'elu mgbe ha dị divided ifidụ na ego ya ada n'elu. So ihe anyị ji ekwu ihe abụ madam Ngozi Arabeza, please make sure they use this avenue for peace. Let's say le maro mana onye ahụ nyere ọrụ no ebe a kpọọ ya ọrụ ụnụ nchakakọ ya nkata we disagree to agree ofu na ajika na achịrị efi achọba m ikwu okwu a mana agba nkịtị ọ ya dị ụnụ ka ihe anyị chọrọ bụ peace na alaba anyị na ebe ọbụla two elephant na alụ ọgụ ife na-asọfị ya bụ the grass ọgụ a nụọla ya lụta ya mma Commander Holy Ghost ji a na-ekwu okwu ji ekwu okwu for some time now ka ọ ji akpụrụ Ngozi Arabeza ọnụ dị wo ji akpụ ya before ka anyị were nnụ ụjọ kwere lee ihe a bụ sign loan ya make go up. So please use this medium to make up with India no. Oh, how abandon ekwu nwere onwe o. Onye ọbụla dị important. Mana fa abandon na be fa no kra mkpụrụ amụ. Likewise on one. You got to go. Peace. Ka Chineke nyekana ya oneness. Ka anyị hapụ ịdị na cause confusion. O nwere ife ịkọrọ Maazị Ekpa wetara o ji wee kwuo okwu. Ife anyị kọrọ ya ịkọchara ya fan chantu osi wee dị. Maka ịkọchara ya fan chantu osi wee dị. Ọ ntu osi wee me. O nwere ike m ekwu n'ife ahụ okwu. Ka eji esi katara. Mụ nwale onwe m dị against the other. I'm not a member. You got to know. But I'm just saying. Now, man, oh, which of your land did you protect? Why asking for United States of Biafra? Why? You can't go the declaration and the protect land first. You could not tell him. Or after the declaration, you are questioning Dr. Ngozi Arabeza. How many land the corner before really go to the declaration? If I no no. Or happen again, or Jabba already told you. It happened on your fishery convention and the declaration. Abatazian at the place. It's easy to get why would you we have I for somebody the brand behind the declaration. In Barry Open in a high oh Batobia, oh Yamwa, oh Kafa only to Unchana Joka to get the Alpha social media. Yet Unchaka can make me like the media. A organiru, a Tochikayazu, organi Tochikayazu, not cause confusion. There is every possibility that men on ground will have find it difficult to work with a woman. Now, how when Ella and Full and the so they have to work with her. They have to agree because we disagree to agree. Because the more confusion, the more these people refuse to in account. Advice only that they know garbage in account because if any man is Diego or more on your buying, you are confused, you are convinced. It's in your gaba. It's bananas. That singular action, or if I would the only thing that in that, or no in account. Their cabinet wouldn't know in the account. The only thing you there were a lot of disagreement, but we disagree to agree. We sit at them more so let there be peace, let there be oneness as we move.
The Sultan of Sokoto and President Nigeria Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs says the visit by the Enugu monarch is the best way to promote peaceful coexistence, mutual respect, and certain relationships among the country's diverse ethnic and religious groups.
A group of Enugu traditional rulers had gone to visit the Sultana of Sokoto for one reason best known to them, but have provoked the entire Igbo people with that visit. Take a look.
The Sultan of Sokoto and President Nigeria Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs says the visit by the Enugu monarch is the best way to promote peaceful coexistence, mutual respect, and certain relationships among the country's diverse ethnic and religious groups. He explains it will create room for traditional leaders to engage in dialogue and exchange ideas towards harmonious and inclusive society. He notes that Nigeria's diversity is a divine will and should be harnessed for the greater good. The Sultan expressed the belief that such visits can dispel negative perceptions among Nigerians and promote a sense of unity and understanding.
I've always been an advocate of understanding one another, not tolerating one another. We must respect our cultures and tradition. Don't think your own culture or tradition is better than another person. No. It's very important for us to visit.
The chairman Council of Traditional Rulers in Enugu State, Igwe Sir Samuel Ikechukwu, said he was in Sokoto to bring a message of love from his state. He appreciated the rich history of the Caliphate and promised to return home with positive thoughts about Sokoto State and its people. During his visit, the monarch also toured the Waziri General Culture and History Bureau in Sokoto, where he gained valuable insights into the state's rich cultural heritage.
It will bring understanding, it will bring love, bring understanding among races. And now I have a different concept about how we can relate intertribally.
The visit by the Enugu monarch to Sokoto is seen as a significant step towards fostering greater understanding and cooperation among traditional leaders across Nigeria and promote national cohesion.
Good. You see, since after this news broke out, it didn't come down well with a lot of Ndibo. And you know, on this platform, we are not politically correct. We say things the way they are. And they have asked me to ask these traditional rulers, as they're so called, who sent them? If not for being a bootlicker, as they said, why would Enugu traditional rulers go to Sokoto to plead for what? Is it to show solidarity for the Nigerian experiment that is working against them? Or to appeal to Sultanate of Sokoto so that their people who are marauding cows in the southeast, especially in Enugu, will stop killing our people? Why they are doing so? This is what is happening in their backyard.
From Fulani, we don't have any common man with them. They pursue us out of our like to and fro. They stop everywhere to go and fro.
Good. Now, how many times have these Sultana of Sokoto, the Sokoto Caliphate, come to any part of Igbo land to appeal for the disaster and devastation their kingsmen have brought upon our people? Destroying farmland, raping and devastating villages, ransacking them, and killing people in their hundreds in each of the attack in each community. How many times have they come to appeal or to plead? But it's only us, the Igbos. You always want to show yourself as the omniscience of Nigeria that wants Nigeria to remain one indivisible nation. Our people are so disappointed with this move, I must tell you honestly speaking. And it's unfortunate that it is still the same people who went through the anguish of the war that are doing this. Some people are wondering if actually these guys, you know, thinking faculty have not been destroyed by the experience of that war. Outside that war, the current war that has been unleashed on our people, what have they done about it? You are quick to go there to appeal or to appease the gods of Nigeria, the Sultana of Sokoto, Abi. I want to let you know, because they may not have the avenue to tell you, but they say I should say it. To you, the Igbo traditional rulers and the political elites in Nigeria, the people are so disappointed in you. Not that they are against any particular person, but they are so ashamed for you to put Igbo in the position of bootlickers in Nigeria. They go kill you, you go beg. If you kill their cows, now you go still pay and beg. In fact, they will still make you pay and beg. We have seen it happen several times. Killing the cows that are destroying farmland. What happens to our Igbo traditional cultural law that says or bans any livestock from going into anybody's farm to eat any part of it? You don't invoke that. You didn't tell them. I didn't hear you tell or explain the Sultana of Sokoto the implication of what their people are doing. You went there to go and pacify him. Go on. But I tell you, you weigh nothing in the presence of the people. You claim so-called to be their rulers. After all, what do we... People don't respect that office they call Igwe-ship. That warrant chief structure set up by the colonial masters. No wonder they are thinking in that direction. Apologies to all the Igwes who may feel offended by my statement, but that is the truth. When you continue to serve the interests of your oppressors, using the office set up by your oppressors, the colonial masters, what else and how else do you want the people to feel about you? And that is the gospel truth. So until you start doing otherwise, until you start proving that you are there to serve the interests of your people, the people have weighed you in scale and you weigh nothing. They have put you on the scale and you've weighed nothing in their presence. Well, let me have your opinion on this. What is your take on this visit by Enugu traditional rulers to Sultan of Sokoto? Let us hear your own opinion on it, so that they will not say, so that nobody will accuse me of making things up or saying what they never asked me to say.